Hey guys, Gary Atkins down here at Donnelly Ford of Ashland. Just want to show you guys this 2024 Ford Mustang 5.0. This one's in the dark matter gray with the bronze appearance package. Guys, this car is beautiful. One of my favorite features about it is probably the remote rev. Do a little startup for you guys. The Brembo brakes. And once it gets warmed up here, I'll show you guys the remote rev feature. Yeah, super nice, guys. Big screen on this one, automatic. It's got different drive modes like sport mode, track mode, drag mode. And then here's the remote rev. Guys, if this interests you, stop down at Donnelly Ford of Ashland and ask for Gary. Thanks, guys.